Guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis. Guys, yesterday we were selling this. Initially, we had some success, but the price broke above our zone, went on to hit the bullish target, came back down again, and now the price is bearish, clearly bearish. What happened yesterday was actually, guys, the reason was that uh, the only reason that comes in my mind was the release of multiple news due to holiday season. They were released together yesterday. Due to that, we had a lot of volatility. But today, I expect the market to behave itself and not act like yesterday. So, guys, for today, as long as the price is below 1.33857, guys, we will be seeing 1.33407, and our second target, guys, would be 1.33205. And guys, if you break above 1.33857, we will be seeing yesterday's high, which is at 1.34472. So, wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys next week.